Hey guys, we're back with another video. Alright guys, let's get to the video. Today we're reacting to C.R.O. Monkey West Dubai equals to Lambo. Let's go. That's a weird ass name, not gonna lie to you.
Pretty sure.
Oh, the times in it so equals Lambo. So that means they all produced it and made Lambo. That's pretty smart actually, not dumb. You're actually smart. It's like a math equation, bro. When they ask you, well, how will I ever use maths in my real life? This is your answer, bro. This is the answer of how you can use it in your real life. Let's go. Play.
Lamborghini.
Lamborghini. Huh? Crash my Lamborghini. I got my dinero.
Don't think you can see me.
Everywhere that I go.
First up, come and find me.
Ooh, I bring my squad with me.
Don't think you can win though.
Ooh, I'll leave you red and bleeding.
Fly me to Dubai.
Nah, I'll drive you with my Lambo.
Lambo with no guinea. Lambo with no genie.
Yeah, where's our I can't believe we made it to
singles, bro. We're not Genesis 69, bro.
Para que habla cuando habla el dinero, más calita va subiendo los ceros. En el barrio tomando caramelo, ese culo sube bien chero. Tu puta grita mami que si llego, la como todo le digo hasta luego. A ese blanco lo desaparecemos. No hables de mí si no nos conocemos. Siempre que hacemos la puta la poli, siempre voy fresco, bitches quieren money. Estoy quemando caramelo con honey. En mi bebida veo muchos colores. Esos blancos no lo están sumando. Río todo mi estilo, chica, estoy armando. Todos mis hijos putas ya no están jugando. Mejor ten cuidado si te están mirando. Ellos ya no pueden ubicarme. Si te tengo enfrente voy a dispararte. Me eligieron solo para ser un hunter. Gracias a esa mierda ya pude apartarme. Falso trapper me eché de probar. No lo dudes chico, no me va a temblar. El calibre grueso tengo otra posada. Si estamos a la mierda, pero calidad. ¿Para qué hablar cuando habla el dinero? Más calidad van subiendo los ceros. En el barrio quemando caramelo. Ese culazo me lo comí entero. Tu puta grita mami que si llego. La como todo le digo hasta luego. A ese blanco lo desaparecemos. Habla de mí si no nos conocemos.
This is some guy as driving. Why is it so different? Why is it so different? Why can't you just change like that? Why? This is some guy with his cigarette in his hat and that one, right? As one driving.
Yeah,
He's changed the whole 360.
That guy isn't driving though. He's
Yeah, I mean like in the car.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's some guy.
Oh, he's cool. He looks cool in the car. I don't know what went wrong.
Maybe because
I think cigarette in his hat. I don't know what other one.
yeah.
Hey.
Se puso cerca y rebaló. Le puse par de líneas y se regaló. Baby run como Usain Bolt. Dubai drip like wow. Baby tú querías matarme sin glow. Baby Dubai está matando sin glow. Baby yo soy que me jode chingado. Si no me escapo pues me quedo loco. Baby yo estoy enamorado de tu todo. Mucha calle baby somos nosotros.
¿Para qué hablar cuando habla el dinero? Más calidad va subiendo los ceros. En el barrio quemando caramelo. Ese culazo me lo comí entero. La grita mami que si llego. La como todo le digo hasta luego. Ese blanco lo desaparecemos. Habla de mí si no nos conocemos.
This is ridiculous, bro. He finally smoked his the thing he's been, bro.
Oh man, thank you guys for watching.
Yes.
Thank you guys for watching the video.
That was lit.
It was able to so much.
Everyone was cool, you know. Everyone.
Yeah, everyone was very cool.
Everyone did a good. Bro, it was El Fuego, bro. Right?
It was good.
Fuego. It was Fuego, bro. It was
Fuego. It was good.
This was our reaction to C.R.O. Monkey West Dubai equals to Lambo.
That's a pretty good name. I'm not gonna lie. It's just like it's like a. It's a good name actually. Alright, bye.